Welcome to English Listening with Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to listen to a short story about visiting a hospital. It is simple, slow, and easy English. In this story, you will hear two friends and hospital staff at a clinic. Please listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen and remember the answer. Here is the question. What symptom does Bonnie have when she wakes up? Listen carefully during the story. The answer will appear inside the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments. This will help you improve your English. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Oh, my head feels like a heavy drum today.
Bonnie, you look very tired this morning.
Hi, Justin. I don't feel well at all.
Oh no, is it just your head that hurts?
No, my body feels very hot too.
That sounds like a fever. Did you sleep?
Not really. I woke up many times last night.
Does your throat feel sore or dry?
It hurts a little when I talk.
Let's check this. 37.8 degrees. You have a fever.
37.8? Is that very high?
It is a fever, but don't worry. We can fix it.
What should I do, Justin?
I think we should go to the hospital.
The hospital? Is it necessary?
It's better to go now before it gets worse.
But I don't know what to say there.
I will go with you. I will help with everything.
Thank you. You are a great friend.
You know, American hospitals have a secret rule for new people.
A secret rule? What is it?
I'll tell you when we arrive. Let's get ready.
Okay, let me get my things.
Wait, Bonnie, do you have your insurance card?
My insurance card? Why is it important?
Without it, the hospital bill is very expensive.
Oh, I found it. It was in my wallet.
Good. Do you have some cash for the payment?
I have $30. Is that enough?
Yes, usually it costs between $10 and $30.
Do I need my student ID too?
Yes, bring it just in case.
Should I bring my medicine record book?
Yes, that helps the doctor a lot.
I have everything. I am ready to go.
Great. The hospital is very close.
It's a nice day, but my legs feel weak.
We can walk slowly. Don't rush.
You are so kind to help me, Justin.
That's what friends are for, Bonnie.
Look, is that the hospital over there?
Yes, that's it. It's a very good one.
What do I do first inside?
First, we go to the reception desk.
Reception desk. Okay, I remember.
Just tell them you want to see a doctor.
I want to see a doctor. Easy.
Exactly. You are doing great.
These doors are so big and shiny.
Wait, look at that sign on the wall.
It says, "New patients this way."
I wonder if that secret rule is on that sign.
You really want to know, don't you?
Let's find out. Follow me, Bonnie.
Wow, it's so busy in here.
There is the reception desk. Let's go.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to see a doctor, please.
Certainly. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
I see. What is the problem today?
I have a headache and a fever. I feel very tired.
Okay, when did these problems start?
They started last night.
Do you have any medicine allergies?
Allergies? What does that mean?
She's asking if any medicine makes you sick.
No, I don't have any allergies.
Good. Do you have your insurance card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I will copy this and give it back.
Everything is so organized here.
Look at those stickers in that bowl.
They have little smiling doctors on them.
Here is your card back. And here is a form.
This form looks long. What do I write?
Please write your name, address, and birthday.
Do I need my phone number too?
Yes, that is very important for us.
Okay, I am writing it now.
Also, write your problems, like headache or fever.
I understand. I will write everything.
You're doing a great job with the English, Bonnie.
It's easier than I thought it would be.
If you don't understand a word, please ask me.
Thank you. That is very helpful of you.
Take your time. No need to hurry.
I am done. Here is the form.
Perfect. Everything looks correct. Please sit in the waiting area. We will call you.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. It won't be a long wait.
See? You did a great job back there.
I was nervous, but she was very nice.
Those chairs look very soft. Let's sit down.
Ah, it feels good to sit down.
How are you feeling now? Any better?
I still feel tired, but my head hurts less.
That's good news. Just rest here for a bit.
How long do we have to wait, Justin?
Probably about 15 or 20 minutes.
I hope it is not too long. I want to go home.
You look a little pale. Are you okay?
I am okay, just a bit thirsty.
There is a water machine over there. I'll get some.
Thank you, Justin. You are very helpful.
I'll be right back with a bottle.
It's actually quite peaceful here.
Here is your water. Drink it slowly.
Thank you. This cold water feels so good.
Look at that colorful fish tank over there.
Oh, the orange fish are so pretty.
Doctors say watching fish helps people feel calm.
It really does. I feel more relaxed now.
Do you have a runny nose or a cough too?
My nose is a bit runny, but no cough.
Look, this magazine has a story about healthy soup.
Soup sounds wonderful right now.
I will make some for you after we go home.
That is so sweet, Justin. Thank you.
It's been 10 minutes. Only 5 or 10 more to go.
What should I say to the doctor specifically?
Use short sentences. Say, I have a headache.
Short sentences. I have a headache. I have a fever.
Exactly. Short sentences are best for clarity.
Look at that big screen with the numbers.
That shows the room number for each patient.
Oh, there are 20 different rooms here.
It's like a big maze, isn't it?
Yes, please don't get lost, Justin.
I have a good map in my head. Don't worry.
Wait, did I just hear my name?
Yes, Bonnie Miller, room number 5.
Okay, here we go. My heart is beating fast.
Take a deep breath. You'll be fine.
Look at all these doors. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There it is, room number 5.
Should I knock first?
Hello. Please come in and sit down.
Hello, doctor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I am Dr. Smith. So, tell me, what is the problem today?
I have a headache and a fever. I feel very tired.
I see. How long have you felt this way?
Since last night, doctor.
Does your throat hurt when you swallow?
Yes, it hurts a little.
Do you have a cough or chest pain?
No, I don't have those.
Let's check your temperature again. 37.9.
Is 37.9 bad, doctor?
No, it is a mild fever. Don't worry. Open your mouth and say ah, please.
Ah.
Your throat is red. You have a cold.
Oh, just a cold. That is good news.
Yes, you need to rest and drink water.
Do I need some medicine?
Yes, I will give you 2 types of pills.
How many times a day should I take them?
3 times a day after each meal.
3 times a day after meals. Got it.
One medicine might make you sleepy.
Sleepy? Is that normal?
Yes, it is very normal. Don't worry. Please stay warm and sleep well tonight.
Can I go to school tomorrow?
No, please rest at home for 2 days.
Okay, I will stay home and rest.
If you don't feel better in 3 days, come back.
Thank you very much for everything, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
So, what did the doctor say?
It's just a cold. I need rest and medicine.
That's great. I'm happy it's not serious.
So, Justin, what is that secret rule you mentioned?
The secret rule is patients who smile get well 10 times faster.
That's a very good rule, Justin.
Miss Miller, your bill is ready.
How much is it, please?
It is $27.
Here is $30.
Thank you. Your change is $3.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Of course. Here you go. And this is your prescription for the pharmacy.
Where is the pharmacy?
It is right next door on the left.
Thank you for all your help today.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Almost done, Bonnie. Just the pharmacy left.
I feel much better now that I know what to do.
There it is. It's very close.
Hello, I have a prescription from the doctor. They said it would take 5 to 10 minutes.
Today was much faster than the last time I came.
Yes, and the people were much kinder too.
Reception, waiting, doctor, payment, pharmacy. 5 steps.
5 easy steps. I can do it alone next time. Thank you. I have my medicine now.
Let's go home and get that soup ready.
Justin, thank you for being with me today.
Anytime, Bonnie. I'm glad you feel better.
I'm not scared of American hospitals anymore.
Just remember to always bring that insurance card.
I will. It stays in my wallet forever.
Here we are. Home sweet home.
It feels so nice to be back.
Hot soup is ready. Be careful, it's very hot.
This smells delicious. Thank you, Justin.
Eat well, sleep long, and you'll be 100% tomorrow.
I'm already feeling sleepy from the medicine.
Good night, Bonnie. See you tomorrow.
Good night, Justin. Thanks for everything. I am going to get well soon.
Great job listening. Now, let's check the question again. What symptom does Bonnie have when she wakes up? Did you catch the answer? If yes, please write it in the comments below. Practice like this every day, and your English will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and like the video. I will share more slow and easy English stories for you. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.